I don't know. She put something. To be honest, I don't know.
The hair will not turn like that by itself. This is a combination of bleach or a daily use of flat iron.
I didn't do that
You
much.
don't use a flat iron? That
No.
means this is definitely a bleach.
A bleach, yeah.
Definitely a bleach.
Yeah.
Hair will not become like that. You mentioned that there's all this burn. So now what happened? It happened at other salons. You're here now.
Yeah.
Your hair naturally used to be very curly, and a combination between curls and burn.
Okay.
Now all what we have is broken hair, frizziness. You got all this hair at the front, plus we have the gray area at the front line. So what we agreed to do, I'm just gonna make the story short, so we're faster in this. First of all, I'm gonna treat the hair.
Okay.
The treatment will take out most of this darkness,
Okay.
so the hair will look slightly lighter.
Okay.
And we're gonna try to do the treatment for you in a straight finishing. So usually we can control the results, either keep the curls or remove the curls. Make it straight some part, keep it with volume and movement another part. With your case, because you have a lot of burn, there's no point from leaving because there's no curls here. There's only burn.
Yeah.
So if I can get you a straight look, then you will see some hair. So I will treat it, try to make it straight,
Okay.
then see how much this will lighten. Then I will come back and do the roots color and the finishing color. Our main job today will be to recover as much damage as possible. The thing is, because the burn is all the way to the half, and I cannot cut that much, so I will decide after the treatment how much I can cut. It's a little bit tricky with you, because cutting too much with your thickness, it's gonna make it puff out regardless if the texture is straight or not.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This is too short, too burned.
Yeah, just
Yeah, it's. But if I can, with the treatment, stop it from breaking, so no more hair here join this piece, because what's gonna happen? This hair is gonna start joining that front piece,
Oh, really?
because the
Okay.
breakage is gonna start
All the
happening
way goes.
all from the way how the burn, where the burn starts. Let me show you the back. Yeah, it's everywhere. I mean, they went all the way to the roots. I'm pretty sure. I know you told me they done only color,
Yeah.
but this is definitely effect of bleach for sure.
I don't know. She put something. To be honest, I don't know.
The hair will not turn like that by itself. This is a combination of bleach or a daily use of flat iron.
I didn't do that
You
much.
don't use a flat iron? That
No.
means this is definitely a bleach.
A bleach, yeah.
Definitely a bleach.
Yeah.
Hair will not become like that. When I'm looking at your roots now, you get a nice soft roots. There's no problem in them. The minute you reach this area down, it's purely burn. Purely burn. Okay?
Okay.
We'll treat it, try to make it as soft as possible.
Okay.
We'll land on a straight look. Then I will try to do my best with the haircut.
That's fine.
You have a plan?
Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you.
perfect. Yeah, let's get it washed. Could you tell?
Like, I saw a lot of videos.
And the other side?
Few days ago. If you want to tidy it up. Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'm going to. I'm travelling tomorrow, so yeah, fresh. All fresh.